next we have Mr. Darlingtone Thole. So he is a proud student ambassador from Malawi. So he is working as a program officer with Dream Program of Edidio, and he has almost 10 years of experience in health sector. So he has a project coordinator project for prevention of mother to child transmission of HIV from 2013 to 15. So Mr. Darlington is a trainer of HIV program in Malawi. With he is conducting membership and supervision throughout Malawi. So exciting thing is he has seen HIV positive persons have improved quality of life and seeing many babies born HIV free from HIV positive mothers. So Mr. Darlington been working as a regional coordinator for cervical cancer. Among others, he has been conducting cervical cancer awareness in eastern region of Malawi. So he has also raising awareness of deadly disease to communicate to the schools and other communities. So until 2019, Malawi was the leading country to have highest prevalence and mortality in the whole world. So having more than 2,800 women dying of cervical cancer each year, this is just number recorded in hospitals. So Mr. Darlington is a diploma in clinical research, clinical medicine holder, and he has a degree in business administration, master's in business administration. And looking at his experience of these gravely conditions and patient to serve these poor communities, he was prompted to pursue public health with our university. Hello. Hi, Mr. Darlington Thole. How are you?
Very fine. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. So please tell about your experience with Texila American University to your friends.
Yeah, sure. As you have just said, I'm Darlingtone Thole. I joined the Texila American University in 2018, and I've been studying a bachelor's degree in public health. Because of my experience, I want also to pursue this particular course of public health. And during my course, I've been also thinking as to how I could pay school fees. But then with the referral system that is also at Texila American University, paying of school fees has not been a problem for me. Because I've also referred a number of students from my country in Malawi.
You almost referred around 50 to 16 students to Texila.
Sure. Yes. And that one has really made my education to be very easy in terms of paying school fees. And this is very important. And the also important thing for Texila American University has been freedom of learning, because I could learn at home, everywhere. I'm a busy person, but I could find time of studying. And also, more importantly, is the type of payment of fees. It's so flexible with the installments. This is so fantastic. And I could not even meet problems. I could speak if I have a problem of fees, and they could even actually understand my problem. But these problems were not frequent because of referral program. I could have cash in my account from Texila American University after earning bonus for my fees. So until now, I'm still earning bonus, and I'm looking forward to joining masters in public health.
Yeah.
And I know it will be very, very easy for me to actually earn this particular path and career of public health.
Okay, thank you so much, Darlington. I have a question like, what made you to, refer 50 to 60 students? How you got that pipeline? Because if you see, I can see that they are nowhere related to your colleagues or, your friends. Because anytime I'm asked, they will be telling like, I met Darlington here, and how you make them, to understand about TAU. So can you explain about that?
You know, these students, most of them have not met them personally, and I just connect them through social medias. And also, when we go to different meetings, I try to speak with people about university. There are a lot of benefits of Texila American University that you cannot hesitate to actually explain to your colleagues. So whenever I go to the meetings, whenever I go to socialize with people, I do speak about this university, and many people admire. You know, the only problem is the problem of cash to pay school fees.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
when you try to explain to them, to say that once you join, this is very flexible university. You'll be discussing with them in terms of payment. People try to understand, and some people also ask me how I've progressed to the point that I'm yet now to graduate. I tell them that I've not even paid all the school fees. The other fees has come from my referrals, like what I'm doing with you. If you join, then it means my school fees will get down. So that also is an encouragement to people to join the university.
Wonderful. And also you will be explaining more about the flexible installments, right? So that also one
Yeah,
point
sure,
you will. Yes, yeah.
sure,
Thank you
sure.
so much, Darlington, for sharing your insights. Really, it's valuable to us. And keep supporting Texila as you always do. Okay, thank you once again.
Thank you
Bye.
very much.
Bye. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.